What's up, everyone? This is Seth with the Landing Page Dudes, and I hope you are enjoying your Friday, looking forward to the weekend, and preparing for the upcoming holidays with some family and friends. I'm making this video to quickly show you a new project that we are going to be launching in January 2024. PageJungle is an indie marketplace where we're going to be selling Figma templates, Webflow sites, Shopify themes, and go high level funnels. This is a project our agency has been working on and off for just over a year, and we are finally ready to launch. And because we want to show love and support back to our members that have been supporting us on our channel, we are going to be giving away 3 templates for free to anyone that joins our Facebook group. So all you have to do is join the PageJungle community group, and you will get 3 templates for free. These templates are conversion driven, they're mobile first, and they're mirrored off some of the most successful Shopify stores. And you probably will see similarities if you really know some of the top producing Shopify stores. So we're going to be giving away this supplement landing page. And as you know, this is something that you can easily transform for another product. It's universal. We're also going to be giving away this beauty template. You saw in my last video that this is something we're building on Shopify. And just by joining our Facebook group, you'll get access to this for free. And we're also going to be giving away another health landing page. So you'll be getting access to all 3 of these templates for absolutely free. All you have to do is join our Facebook group, and we will give you a code when we launch to go and get these templates for free. I want to thank all of you for making 2023 a very exciting year for us at our agency, and we look forward to producing some high quality content in 2024 and working and meeting with a lot of you. Enjoy the rest of your year. Happy holidays, happy new year, and we hope you have an amazing holiday. Thank you.